Well,
so this is yours.
We start. Fuel system.
Isn't it nice? Yeah, you said.
Damn, look at this fool's fabrication table.
Like that shit. That's how I do your nails right there.
The next day.
All right, we're back.
Ladies and gentlemen! Go ahead.
We're back.
We're back. Brought to you by Dime Performance.
Man, these look good, dude.
Check that out. Beer pong. Or no, what's it called?
Beer
I'm old. Beer
bong? Bong.
Beer bong.
Beer bong. Yeah.
Or no beer pong.
Dude, that's sick. So, all this stuff was custom made? They made all this shit.
They made all the lines are like super high PSI hoses, plus they come with heat wrap per what we asked for.
Yeah, this shit feels like,
No, it's stout.
yeah, this is like good shit right here.
This is the turbo drains. So you got passenger driver, right?
Yeah, so you just sent them the old shitty ones, and they kind of like just made a brand new setup?
Well, they weren't old shitty.
Well, I mean, they were like worn out.
They were clapped out because this shit got really hot. Yeah, so they gave them the measurements. So all Lamborghinis, twin turbos, anything. This is what you get. We carry these,
Yeah,
so you
We can
use
get
them to
them.
go out. You can use them on your turbos.
with people.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, or that.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
If you guys need some, let me know. This is the bond that goes to the sump on the bottom, which is actually the drain return.
So it makes it
drain
easier. You
oil.
ain't got to with wrenches and all
You don't
that.
have to at least use the 17 bottom ones, you know.
Yeah.
It's a little simple, but yeah, check them out. Dime Performance, really good shit.
In stock.
Now let's put the shit on.
All right. So, like, these are all the, what are these? Are these like end
So
fittings?
those
or?
are like caps. So if I take that line off and I disconnect like the other fittings, I can cap it.
Oh, wow.
So it's not like pissing fluid out.
Oh, that's
You
cool.
understand?
I like the color of all their stuff. This, it's like a purplish, like you wore the right shirt for today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, kind of almost match. On Shawn's setup after this, we'll get this thing out of here. Yeah. So we'll see you guys in a second. Hey, you got any brake clean? George said you stole. George said you stole all of his brake clean.
First of all, George is exaggerating. I took one.
You took all of it, is what he said.
All of it, maybe because he only had one. That's probably why it's all of it. But I'm not gonna lie, I did take his last one. And I never
And you ain't got a reimbursement.
Not yet.
Damn! Oh look, you got half a can. Oh, you go here. Go give that to him. Go give that to him. Hold on.
I admit, I took the last one. I ain't gonna lie, you know.
I know.
Like I did. You need a lot, because you got a little bit.
You got a little squirt. It don't stick. Hey, you found a piece of metal on this bitch. All right, side quest. We're in the fishbowl.
Yep. We're in the fishbowl.
Not to be fishbowl too long. Literally today.
El St. Gabriel.
Side quest to meet Nina to get a
I forgot we had to go new boot goofing today because we're going to a country thing.
literally new boot goofing.
Yeah, literally. We're both buying pairs of boots and a hat.
Nice, and we get to see Evie.
Yeah, I get to see my daughter. That's the best part.
Hey, what are you doing? Disco, country disco or some shit?
It's called Boots and Beats, like country EDM at the Bel Air pool tonight.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
All right, well.
So we're gonna go new boot goofing.
Wait, what? I'm just goofing. New boot goofing. Oh!
And try out some new boots? New boot Goofin.
Boot burn.
What's it say, big monkey? See, it's stuck on my bald head. Let's see.
Do they make like special inserts for bald people?
What?
Hi. Hello. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Mm. Hey. Supposed to sit that low?
Yeah.
Really?
What?
I feel like it sits like really low on your head.
Is it too big?
Yeah, we're gonna do whatever he said.
Oh. Yee-haw, dude. Hand sculpting.
You should just get a full customization.
$350. I mean, why would you buy a stock hat, bro? You can't rock a stock hat in the
car, bro. You do realize that.
It's just a different kind of bull.
You do realize I can't even wear this in the car, right? It's not gonna fit.
Well, I'll hold it in my lap.
Okay.
I mean, if anything, we have.
What do you think, Nina? Should he wear one like on the daily?
Yeah, I think so.
That'd be sick,
I
right?
think he looks hot.
You want? Is it too tall?
Kind of, yeah.
And I know that people online agree. Because when he wore one, all the guys were like, you look good, bro.
Gay!
Ruby's on buckle too. Who? Ruby. Well, it's not real.
Bro, you could be a part of Yellowstone, man.
We could do the rip look once he purchases it. I can shape the hat. So
Oh, really? Oh, give her the old rip, the rip look?
yeah.
What the hell does that mean?
The guy.
Oh yeah,
Rip, dog. Come on.
Dude, that's like
he's the opposite of that, but
another name for this type of brand is called like a cool hand Luke.
Better.
That one's a lot more shorter
that one fits real nice.
and shorter too.
It's not as
Way
tall.
more comfortable.
He's not as tall.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And he doesn't want.
And the sides are swooped differently, too, see? Yeah. Man, let's go get some cattle.
What the?
You should go just like that.
God forbid. No.
No, I'm okay with it.
Stop giving fast advice.
I burned the edges.
Yeah, I've seen the fast advice.
Okay, let's steal the baby. Okay, let's steal the baby. Nope.
These ones are just accessories right there. Horse hairs too.
Look at these.
Yeah. That's not happening.
Yeah? You like those, huh? No. This looks great.
Width is good. But I will be different dog shit. They're still cute.
Can you stand up and like lean towards me? Let me see.
Dude, now that's a look.
That's not good.
Yeah.
With shorts like that, but he can pull it off for some reason.
Yeah.
Wow, okay, let's try a 10.5.
Am I tripping right now? These are
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
just. It's fine.
What she meant to ask is if they stretch over there. No, they don't. And if they did, it would look like sausages over there. It would be awful.
You done?
Now I am.
Shopping with Nina and George. Those boots look like really big.
The Bambi wants to do his own shopping.
Huh? I know, right? I love how you were supposed to come help her find a hat and then you just walked off on her. He doesn't
That
care.
was ignoring us.
No. You good? Hmm? Yeah? Boop.
No boat, Goofin in the dime bag, snake skin. So damn fresh.
Yeah, it's called shopping.
Yeah, these are way more
Cinderella?
comfortable than those.
He's like, wait, the first one didn't fit me perfectly?
That's my size.
Oh, he's good. Yeah. Go with it.
Maybe one more time, try that again.
Doesn't he need white boots for that?
Hey, connection.
Take them. Thanks for the
Oh, there's zipper.
Over here,
Wow.
like my dumb ass is just trying to like squeeze out. It's like, there's a zipper dummy. That's cool.
Dada.
She's up next.
Yeah. Yeah, we went to go look at hats and you were supposed to follow us and then you didn't.
Yeah, but she's gonna help her out, get her boots and a hat. Right
there you
now.
go. No, oh, you've got a concierge service, Nina. Yeah. Bright pink.
Funny, funny.
Wow, she got the white joints.
No boat, Goofin in the dime bag, snake skin. So damn fresh that the red is still shaking.
Is that the outfit that you're gonna wear too? With leggings?
You're gonna get shot.
Oh.
So annoying. Honey.
I'm on the phone.
Big surprise.
No.
No boat, Goofin in the dime bag, snake skin. So damn fresh that the red is still shaking.
That's a nice one.
You like this one? This is the first one I tried on, that's why. So we're buying a cologne for George and we're trying to figure out if we had the right one.
Look at it. Show him the bottom.
So this is right. I'm thinking it must be this.
Tester.
Well, how do you know if it's the right one? Brown box. America.